Our Dex Pro Plus is a stand-up carrier with a detachable trailer that can be used for multiple applications. Whether used to transport products to various work cells, or give relief to employees who have to push carts to move materials, the Dex Pro Plus has been designed to help increase efficiency and is perfect for warehouse and retail environments. Our innovative design for the Dex Pro Plus includes a detachable trailer providing a drop-and-go solution, a 24-volt battery system that extends runtime and charges in a 110-volt outlet, Amigo Mobility is family owned and has been improving lives through mobility since 1968.